अस्सलामुअलैकुम। ये जी हमारी न्यू कार।
Cool, super cool.
बहुत गुड है।
Yeah. What?
जो प्रेस करो से
Don't, okay, push.
चलो ऑफ हो गई बस।
And then how we turn on is we press this in and then press button and turn on. It's super duper cool. I recommend car.
Yeah.
Don't touch anything else, okay?
Okay. These are the keys. This is the lock and unlock, and this is the hold to open the trunk, but it doesn't work. It's just a
No,
feature.
it's manual trunk.
Yeah. Huh? The mirrors aren't working.
Everything work. Yes. नहीं बेटा वो छोड़ो भी चेक करता हूँ।
Wow, this is
ठीक है चलो ऑफ करो।
off. Okay.
Oh. Good? I'm like it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Don't.
super duper.
He's not going to it. He just press button and go.
Yes, just press button and turn it on.
Yeah.
Huh?
And then turn it off.
नहीं बेटा ये ऐसे नहीं चलता, बस ऐसे ही रहेगा।
पर की क्यों है इसका?
ये होता है ना बेटा, इसको ऐसे पास रखोगे तो बटन प्रेस करोगे तो ऑन।
See, it's red line and then
ये
go
की
ahead.
क्यों?
इसको इसके अंदर डाल दो। ऐसे चलो बंद कर चलो। अभी हम इसको
It could warm the seat. Same with this one, and ventilate right here. And this is for the steering wheel, so it can warm up too in the winter. You could call someone, and over here, right here, you could put your phone and it could charge. And with Bluetooth, you can connect your phone, so you can put on music. The seats are nice and comfortable. And right here, back here, are seat warmers too. So you do this low, or turn it off, or two. And these are for the windows. And same with this side.
so both seats, the front and back, are heated,
Yeah,
but they're not ventilated to the back seat.
yeah, they're not ventilated. This is an armrest. You can put it back here. This is the seat belt for this place. And these are where you put the seat belt in, are tucked into these holes.
A nice one, Sophie.
That's where you can put in like papers.
So here,
There's a charging port for charging.
okay. So what's here?
That's where you can put stuff too.
There's the glasses here.
Yeah. And these are lights here. There's one here.
Okay. What is this here?
That's a window. It's nice so you can just do. It's not on both sides though.
You happy, Ahmed?
Yeah. There's a navigation system right here.
Yes, everything is
And
good.
it could tell the temperature of the car. Yeah.
So it's a keyless?
Yeah, it's keyless.
Keyless.
I
Keyless.
go back.
And there's
It's
power.
SE.
Huh?
SE.
This is
Highly
a
spec'd car.
hybrid, electric, and gas.
It's not electric. Hybrid and a petrol. 1.6 petrol engine. ये इसकी बूट
And we can see.
ठीक है।
We can see. We can see.
It's a bed.
Yeah. Then we can see.
इसको पुल करो। नहीं नहीं ये वो just spare wheel है।
Tire.
Okay. चलो
It's
बंद
just
करो।
rear. Go pop and it's right here. It's just going to pop.
Okay.
What's that?
Manually door relief. Okay, चलो।
Manual.
पीछे हमारे ये आ गए।
One more feature.